Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Module Controller lets you call reusable test logic from one place. Use it to centralize samplers and make test maintenance easier. Create a test fragment and place reusable samplers inside it. Then add a module controller where you need the logic executed. Inside the module controller, choose the target module from the drop-down list. The controller will execute the selected module in the calling thread group context. This reduces duplicated samplers across your test plans and speeds test. Start by adding one test fragment to your test plan for reusable logic. Inside that test fragment, add HTTP request samplers or other controllers as needed. Then open the thread group where you want reuse and add a module controller. Click the module controller drop-down and select the test fragment by name. Run the test and the module controller will execute that test fragment in the calling thread group. Verify scope and execution order to avoid unexpected behavior during the run. Avoid creating circular references between module controllers and test fragments. Such loops will cause unpredictable execution or stack issues during a test run. Use clear, descriptive names so you can pick the correct test fragment from the drop-down quickly. Prefer one test fragment per reusable module to keep things simple and maintainable. Debug reused modules using view results tree and targeted assertions to validate behavior. Consider using include controller for external files versus module controller for internal reuse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.